Good morning, students. I hope you are all doing well and good. Now let us learn few words relevant to domestic articles and miscellaneous. Tementa nginya puli bat songtho ya ka jingmut jam katto katne ki kyntien ki bangi ju pyndonkam manla kasngi. Hakani ka video ngan batai shwa ya ki kyntien ki bangi ju pyndonkam hakaba ngi pyndonkam ya ki tiar ki bayadei bat ka kamera syadja. Hang ne menta pio ya ka shamaj bat ya ka shamaj ka English ngi ong ka spoon bat ka Hindi ka ka chamach, spoon in English and chamach in Hindi. My dear students, you know this is a cup. A cup in Hindi is known as cup or pela. Cup in English and cup or pela in Hindi. Ukeo hakaktin English uday upot lani u container. But hakaktin Hindi ka meaning jong upot lani u container kaday bartan. Bartan in Hindi. Bartan kamut ukeo. Kini kiday ki pliang. Ya ka pliang haka English kamut plate. Bat haka Hindi ru kedai ka plate. Plate kamut ka pliang. My dear students, do you know what is this? Kai kani ka bapio I mentah kani kador? Very good. Kani kadai ka jingmut. But ya ka jingmut haka katien English kamut matches. But haka Hindi ru kadai ka matches. Next, here we have a mug. Ya ka mug haka katien English kamut mug. But haka Hindi ru kadai ka mug. This is a bucket. Ka bucket ka bamut ka borti hakaktin kasi but balti hakaktin Hindi. Bucket kadai ka jingmut hakaktin English ya ka borti but haka Hindi ka borti kadai ka balti. Katari hakaktin English kadai ka knife. A knife kabamut katari hakaktin English. But hakaktin Hindi ya katari ni ong ka chaku. Chaku means knife. My dear students, these are few words that we learned for domestic articles and miscellaneous. Haka video ka ban sabut ngan sabatai shu ya ka jingmut jong ki kyntien ki bangi pyndonkam haka baydai bat ki domestic articles bat miscellaneous. Ti tangkat dia ngan sange shwa ya ka bamenta.